So the device in my hand is a smartphone. This Redmi 812, and suppose if you want to go, if you go to the file manager of this phone, this is the file manager, and if you open the file manager, there you can see docs. You can simply take this, click this docs, that is the documents, and from here you can search for, if you click this all, then you can see all documents. And suppose if you want to check the available PDFs that you have already downloaded in your phone, you must click this PDF. Or if you want to go to search for Word, Excel, PPT, others, etc., you can simply search by clicking here. So if this video helps you, for more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.